Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Suunto SM16 Depth Gauge. So this is a depth gauge module. This is the same one that they use in all of their CB inline gauges. So if yours is broken for whatever reason, you can swap it out with this one really quick and easy. You can use it as a standalone gauge if you really want to. But this has a few sort of clever features to it that sort of most people don't know about. The first one is quite obvious, is that the face itself is phosphorescent. So if you shine a torch on that, it's going to glow in the dark. So if you're in a dark environment or an overhead environment, you're still going to be able to see exactly how deep you are. You have an adjustable max depth sort of red lever down on that. So that as you go sort of down deep, the red lever is going to get pushed by the black sort of current depth lever to your maximum depth. And then it's going to stay in position as you shallow up. So you always know your max depth of each given dive. And then you can just reset that between dives by turning this little sort of flat head. The main one that most people don't know about is that you can reset the sort of current depth. And this is really for diving at altitude. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and this little screw on the side. As you turn that, you can fine tune where zero actually is. So that way, if you're not actually diving at sea level, of course you need to adjust it accordingly. So this allows you to really fine tune so you're exactly sort of on point and it knows exactly how deep you are, no matter where you're diving around the world. So a smart little gauge, very accurate on the insides. They've got sort of very clever mechanism on the inside that makes it very accurate compared to other sort of analog gauges. This is the Suunto SM16 Depth Gauge. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.